Alright. Clear!
But keep an eye out too, there's a little cell building here.
Oh, okay.
Coming right.
Yeah. Brantford Unicom, Zulu Juliet Foxtrot, requesting radio check and airport advisory.
Zulu Juliet Foxtrot, we got you 5 by 5, winds are favoring 17.
We checked, winds are favoring 17, Zulu Juliet Foxtrot, thanks.
According to this, we're still way ahead of the cold front.
Oh, okay.
But it's coming in, so there's definitely going to be some nasty stuff in front of this cold front.
Yeah.
Oh.
Like slamming my door.
Yep.
Or my window.
They look like they're getting rocked around. Actually, they look like they're climbing
Like
extremely
crazy.
well.
Yeah. Holy.
Yeah, look at this wind. It's shifted to a pretty... It's pretty variable, but it's shifting back and forth.
All over the place.
Look at their crab angle.
That's insane. Like 45 degrees.
We'll ask them how it is. Just stop here for a second, lined up.
Praying for traffic, Gulf Alpha Papa Sierra, airborne off runway 17, climbing through 1,500 for 3,000 to the south practice area.
How was the departure, Steve?
Could you say again there, Pup?
How was the departure?
Choppy on the climb out just before the gravel pit, but apart from that, not too bad. It's just a bit bumpy.
Sounds good.
Alright.
Brantford traffic, Zulu Juliet Foxtrot, taking off runway 17, departure southbound.
Perfect, thank you.
Yep. Just get her off. Let's fly a circuit.
Fly a circuit?
Yeah, I want to feel this out a little bit.
Alright.
Yeah, this is like the other day. The wind's picking up at 31 in Hamilton.
Wow.
And it was only forecasted for 22.
Yeah.
Turn your downwind. You can expect to have to crab quite a bit.
Yeah. Brantford traffic, Zulu Juliet Foxtrot, turning left downwind, runway 17. I've got some rain just at the highway there.
Yeah.
Oh, it's Burford now too.
Yeah,
It's close.
Yeah. Look at this crab angle. Holy
Insane.
shit.
For traffic, Gulf Alpha Papa Sierra, 3,500, approximately 5 to the south of the airfield. And we're going to be switching over to practice area frequency, working in the south practice area for the next half hour.
Start to kind of set the plane up, and we're just gonna turn a base here. And we'll turn a base here, just put your nose right over to the threshold almost.
Okay. Prepare for traffic, Zulu Juliet Foxtrot, turning left base-ish, runway 17.
Lots of airspeed. And you put your nose way over there, you see how much we're drifting?
Yeah. Keep it at like 70?
Yeah. I'd say let's just call it here.
Yeah.
This isn't too good. We're gonna get nothing accomplished today
Other than fight and everything?
Yeah. Lots of airspeed. Even come 75. 75 is good.
Okay.
We got real stiff crosswind here. Keep 10 flaps.
Yeah. Prepare for traffic, Zulu Juliet Foxtrot on final runway 17. It's going to be a full stop.
Lots of power too. Power. Tons of power. We want to have a lot of obstacle clearance. Try and straighten it out a little bit. Okay, you got it. Be really responsive on that power. Yep. Now bring it down right to the runway. Back out the power and just float it. Just float it. That's good. Lots of crosswind input. There you go. Good job. Good job.
Full stop or again?
I'd say just call it.
Alright. Preparing for traffic, Zulu Juliet Foxtrot, crossing runway 0523 from 17 to Alpha for the apron.
Zulu Juliet Foxtrot, you guys kind of got a full stop?
I think so. It's kind of hard to accomplish anything with the way that the gusts are right now.
Oh, how'd you guys get up to?
We just flew a circuit.
Oh, okay, sounds good.
But it's like, it's very, very rough in the 152 and definitely like a pretty wild crab on base.
Sounds good.
Well, how was that landing?
That was pretty good. Those were pretty, that was an intense landing.
That was probably the worst winds that I've landed in.
Yeah. And it wasn't straight down the runway either.
No, not even close. Well, it was, then it wasn't.
Yeah.
Where do you want it? Front, back?
Probably in the back. I doubt it's gonna go flying. The thing with today too is like the vertical wind shear.
Yes. Yeah, really good ones there.
That's why I told you to keep lots of speed, 75, 80, who cares? You can bleed the speed once you're down to the runway.
Yeah.
But the vertical wind shear is what you want to have lots of speed for.
I think that's the first time that I've seen you getting ready to grab the controls while flying.
Yeah, you know, if it was any other student, I probably would have, but
And
you did pretty well. Did pretty good.
That's I got to give you credit for not grabbing them actually, because I bet you definitely had that urge.
Yeah,